Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kerima and you're here for another motivational video. This time I'm cleaning my son's room. His room is always a hot mess. He's 2 years old. He plays in his room all the time. And his poor closet is our storage closet of the house for some reason. So in this video, we are going to organize his room, clean his room. Oh my God, look at that television. I mean, every food he's ever eaten is on his TV screen. But stay tuned and enjoy the video. If this is your first time watching my channel, thank you and welcome. Please subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. I love making cleaning motivational videos. I'm not going to say I love to clean, but I do love to motivate. And I'm very motivated from these type of videos. So please join my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button down below and leave a comment, say hi and introduce yourself. I would love to make some new YouTube friends. So enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, guys, so my 2-year-old will not let me be great. But we did finish his room, clean up and makeover, and he is over here jumping on the bed. Are you having fun? Is that fun? You jumping on the bed? You're messing up the bed that mommy just changed and made. Yeah, so he needed to come in and play. We had to stop for lunchtime, and now it's playtime for him. But we did get the room clean, so I'm going to show you that now. So this is from the front door. Beautiful, clean carpet. This is his laundry hamper. So I decided to take the laundry hamper out the closet and just put it here. Since it's full, I'm going to bring it downstairs and wash those things. But I'm going to leave it outside the closet because it won't fit with the toy system in there. But we did organize the top of his dresser. I repurposed this little heart that I got, this little heart tray that I got from the dollar spot. I think I'm going to paint it eventually, but we're using it as a tray for his toiletries. This lotion's a little big, but that works for now. All right. Oh, it got caught in the TV wire. I'm like, what happened? It was just fine. Okay, there we go. We have his tissue box here. Hey, I'm trying to film a video. The remotes for his TV and his Apple TV, and of course a couple of Pampers. Wipe down the dresser. I cleaned this TV as best as I could, but it was like stuck on peanut butter and jelly and something sticky. So yeah, I did the best that I could. I wiped down his night table. We do, if you get real close, you can kind of see the crayon. So I'm gonna have to get like a magic eraser to scrape off the crayon that he decorated his table with, but it's okay. So the ball pit. You probably noticed in the clips that I was trying to, hold on guys. Okay, like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by the 2-year-old. The ball pit, you may have noticed that I was trying to blow up the canopy. I tried to blow up that canopy like 3 times before I decided to just cut it off because there was a hole somewhere and I could not find the hole. As I blew it up, it just kept deflating. So I just decided to cut it off, and now he's got a pool ball pit. This is his closet. I left his chart up there, even though he's like destroying the numbers chart, but I left his charts up there. Once he... Okay, here's his toy system all set up, and he's got his clothes. I'll hang the rest of his clothes once I'm done putting up the laundry. His little Mickey costume, it was so cute. I'll see if I can find a picture and insert it. His basket, I did put his clothes in a bag so we can get it donated. And this is the sheet set, you know, to the sheets that I just took off his bed, but we didn't use the sham part in the top sheet because he really just doesn't have that many pillows, and it's kind of warm, so we didn't need it. What do you think? Bye. Bye-bye. You going bye-bye? Yes, so this is his completed clean room, organized room. It will not stay like this for long, but for now, it looks good. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you love cleaning motivational videos like these, mom life type videos, shopping hauls, just pure motivation, this channel is the right place to be. Please subscribe, comment, share the video, hang out with me, come back, see some more videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.